Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little bit of mukbang. I know there's some bad lightning, y'all, but we gonna make it do what it do. But if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. Also, leave me a comment below. Stop it. You better get back. I'm trying to drink my drink. Yeah, I'm talking to China. Yeah. So we doing this little small mukbang. Y'all look at these little bit of fried they gave me. I got the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. Oops. Lord. Bestest food that I'm about to eat and already eaten. Best person who prepared. Bless the person who prepared this meal. Bless the ones about to eat this meal. In God's name pray. Amen, amen, amen. What's going on, y'all? I got me some black and ranch with my fries. I forgot to give me some season. Got my dog wants something so bad. Y'all, we're gonna go live today, but I didn't feel like it. My head ain't combed. So don't come for me in the comments about this hair, cause I sure didn't comb it. So, I mean, y'all hear her nasty self burping all in my video, like she in the video. Unless your sister wants some of your food. Ooh, y'all. I am sleepy. I'm gonna go in here, take me another shower. And me and China gonna get in this bed. Let me give me a thumbnail. That girl just burping. Y'all better have some. Open mouth. Yeah, I am in this. I've been in an awkward position for the longest. Since I took my setup down. I just be eating anywhere. China, you can't have none of the shit. It's spicy, baby. Okay? Mama sorry. Ooh, y'all. I feel so bad when I give her none of my food. Because she be looking so beautiful. But this chicken is too spicy. It's so good. Crunchy. I thought it was gonna be cold by the time I got here. Cause it took him a minute to bring it to the house. But still hot. Ooh, I'm already getting full. And I only took one bite. What type of mess is that? What y'all doing for the 4th? Give me some ideas. I probably just chill around the house and relax. Pop fireworks. Well, let your kid pop fireworks. Yeah, they black and ranch good. If you ain't had it, try it. Okay. Yep. I don't even think there was no napkins in that bag. Yes, it was. It's in that big bag. Mom gonna give you something to eat in a few minutes. Not this chicken right here though. Okay? Yeah, she really ain't been eating her dog food since she been sick. So whatever I give her, I try to feed her something so she can eat some, put something on her belly. Yeah, I look like I'm gonna have to save me some of this chicken because your girl getting full. Probably because I just ate that popcorn too. And it don't take much for me to get full. And I don't want to get too full like I was last night and was uncomfortable. So I probably end up saving this for later on. Yep. This chicken really ain't spicy. Say that. I knew I was gonna do that. Yep. Got to put it up, y'all. I still got half this left, so I can save that for later on tonight, just in case if I get hungry. but I can't finish it. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this little mukbang I did. Like I said, I was gonna go live, but I really didn't even feel like it. So I said, hey, I might as well do this video while I'm sitting here eating. Talk to y'all for a little while and upload it later. Yes, sir. So, with that being said, your girl finna go in here. Get my night started. Me and China. I'm gonna fix her something to eat right quick. And we gonna go get in the bed and relax. Yep. So, with that being said, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you won't miss my next video. I love you guys so much. And your girl is out. Peace. Love you guys.